The Bible speaks about friendship in an exquisite and meaningful way. Let us read 7 verses from the Bible about it. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 24. A man that hath friends must show himself friendly, and there is a friend that sticketh closer than a brother. Proverbs chapter 27 verse 6. Faithful are the wounds of a friend, but the kisses of an enemy are deceitful. John chapter 15 verse 13. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. Pro 17:17. A friend loveth at all times, and a brother is born for adversity. 1 Corinthians 15:33. Be not deceived. Evil communications corrupt good manners. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 24. Make no friendship with an angry man, and with a furious man thou shalt not go. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 20. He that walketh with wise men shall be wise, but a companion of fools shall be destroyed. So we better have friends, as our joy multiplies and pain gets divided when we share with them.